Well, this is a simple light intensity switch. A control device using intensity of light with the help of this LDR, light dependent resistor. It's a very simple circuit consisting 2 BC 547. I'm using an LED here as my load, and 3 other resistors and the light dependent resistor. I'm powering my with a 6-volt battery, 5.4 amps. Yeah. I know I should have used a quick, but I don't have one now. So let's try to get this. Alright. So with the help of the light on the LDR, the load won't turn on until the LDR, as you can see, is blocked. Turns on the LED. When there's enough light for it, the resistance reduces. When you block it, the resistance increases and powering the LED. It could be used for a bugler alarm and as well for street lights, or even a bedroom light or fire detector or something like that. When the smoke gets to this LDR, it increases the resistance and triggers the LED light emitting diode. Well, it's simple enough, and you can actually make it simpler.